In today's video, you will learn how to sync your GiveWP donors and users to your email marketing lists. Now, for our demonstration here today, I already have GiveWP installed and set up. I already have a campaign and I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And once I have opened up the campaign, I can go to the Forms tab at the top. And here I just want to go ahead and grab that shortcode to embed the form in a new page. I'm going to copy the shortcode. Then I'm going to go to the top and click on the plus to add a new page. Let's click on Not Now. And let's name this donation form. I'm going to press enter to drop to the next line and I'll paste the shortcode that I copied. Now let's go ahead and publish our page. We're going to click on publish twice. And next we'll click on view page. That's going to open the page in a new tab. And I'm just going to keep it there until we need it. But here's our form. All right, so let's go back to our settings. And what I'm going to do right now is let's click on this WordPress icon to go all the way back. And we're going to go to FuseWP, then settings. And I just want to mention that if you have not already, you'll need to set up your integration. You can find links in the description down below that shows you exactly how to do this. Now on the left, I'm going to go to user sync and I'm going to add a sync rule. And the source is going to be GiveWP donation forms. And right below this, we can select a source item, which in this case is our fundraising campaign. And next, we'll need to go ahead and add a new destination. Now let's select a destination status. That could be any of these statuses, or we could just use any status, which I'm going to do. And our integration here is going to be MailerLite. All right, now moving on, we're going to select donors as our group. And of course, if we need to, we can always map custom fields. So if we take a look at the custom fields section, we can see that the first and last name field from our form is being mapped to MailerLite's first and last name field. This can always be modified by using the drop-down menu, or you can simply click on map another field if you have another field that you'll need to map to a MailerLite field. For this example, we're just going to keep the default ones, and just so you know, if you want to, you can always click on add destination again just to stack destinations as long as it makes sense. So once you're done with this configuration, you can now click on the save button. And once your changes are saved, I can just go back to user sync just to confirm that everything looks okay and our status shows that it's turned on. All right, so the next thing we need to do is go back to the tab that we have with our donation form, and we'll need to refresh it, just so you know. Once it's refreshed, we can just use our default donation amount, or we can add a custom amount. I'm going to click on donate now to use the $10, and that will be done with a Stripe test account. So once the form is ready for our details, I'm going to go ahead and type in a first name and last name, as well as an email address. Once we have this information, I'm going to click on continue. And now you'll see confirmation that this is a test payment. I'm going to click on donate now, and we'll just wait a few seconds for the form to be submitted. Once it's done, we'll immediately head over to GiveWP to see if our user or donor was captured. So we're going to go to donors, and here we'll see Ivan Robinson as a donor. Now let's see if this list here is synced with our donor list in MailerLite. We'll go to subscribers, and then we'll go to groups. And in groups, we'll go to donors. And here's our donor, Ivan Robinson. All right, so this is how you sync GiveWP donors to your email lists. Thanks for watching and see you next time.